Welcome to all. In the last video, we discussed about vegetative characters and floral characters of Solanaceae family. In this video, I will represent floral diagram along with economic importance of different plants in the Solanaceae family. Let's watch today. If you want to continue about Solanaceae family floral diagram, we must should be thoroughly follow the floral formula. So I will write about floral formula. Let's see all of you. Floral formula. So already written in the last video also, BR, bracts are present, or EBR, bracts are absent. So bracteate, ebracteate. EBRL, ebracteolate. If you can take the symmetry, actinomorphic symmetry, bisexual flower, calyx 5, fused gamosepalous, petals 5 fused, androecium 5 epipetalous condition, and gynoecium superior ovary, bicarpellary syncarpous, hypogynous flower. Let you see once again floral formula. Bracteate, bracts are present. Ebracteate, bracts are absent. So either present or absent. Ebracteolate, so bracteoles are absent. Actinomorphic flower, a flower can be divided into two equal halves by any plane is called actinomorphic. So a flower can be divided into two equal halves by any vertical plane is called actinomorphic. Here symbols are given. So staminate flower, pistillate flower. So both are present. So called bisexual flower. Sepals are 5 fused. So gamosepalous condition. And the estivation is found valvate estivation. Coming to the petals 5 fused. So gamopetalous and exhibit valvate estivation. Coming to the stamens or androecium, there are 5 androeciums which are attached to the petals, so called epipetalous condition. So this is the symbol, epipetalous condition. Coming to the gynoecium, it is a superior ovary and two carpels present in 45 degrees with oblique septum and fused, so called syncarpous. So bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary. Now we will continue about floral diagram. Let's see now floral diagram. If we go for floral diagram, so the same information what we find in the floral formula, according to that only we have to proceed. Let's see. So first outermost is identified sepals. So there are 5 sepals. So we have to take 5 sepals. So there is a 5 sepals are present. In this sepal, odd sepal is this side, anterior, odd sepal. So totally 5. Among this, odd sepal is present in anterior and the mother axis is present posterior. So it is a mother axis. So this is mother axis and anteriorly we find odd sepal. So sepals can be exhibited like this. Sepals. So there is 5 sepals. So pentamerous flower. 5 sepals are present. If a flower consists of sepals or petals or in 5 or multiple of 5, so called pentamerous flower. So Solanaceae family members consist of 5 sepals, so called as pentamerous flower. So these 5 sepals are fused together, so called gamosepalous. So fused together called gamosepalous. So 5 sepals fused together called gamosepalous with valvate estivation. So they are present closely and attached their margins, so called valvate estivation. Now we can go for next. So there is a 5 petals. So 5 petals also same as like sepals. So let's take So there is a sepals, how located in the same manner. We are also finding 5 petals in the Solanaceae family. Their arrangement is somewhat different. So odd petal is this side, 5 petals which are arranged closely and fused together. So fused together, so called gamopetalous. Gamopetalous. So 5 petals fused together. So again pentamerous, as well as valvate aestivation. In case of Datura, it is called twisted aestivation. Also in the bud, plictate. Plictate. Plictate, in the sense fan-like arrangement petals are present in the Datura. Datura is a special. So now we completed 5 petals which are fused. So as usual here. So in the 5 petals which are fused, we are finding it. So petals completed. Now we can go for stamens. So how many stamens are there? 5 stamens. And with the epipetalous condition. In the sense they attach to the petals. So let's take, there is a 5 stamens, 5 androecium. So these are the filaments completed. Now we can go for anther. So 5 anthers, 5 anthers are present. We got 5 anthers. So once again, this is the filament and this is the anther. So filament, anther. So together we call it as a androecium or stamen. So these anthers are attached to the petal, so called epipetalous condition, and these anthers are consisting of 2 lobes. So 2 lobes we are indicating here. So dithecous. Stamens are dithecous. Dithecous, which consist of 2 lobes. So each anther consists of 2 lobes and as well as 4 sporangiums, so called tetrasporangiate. Tetrasporangiate. So dithecous, tetrasporangiate, and intrors. Intrors. So intrors in the sense which direction their pollen grains towards the center. So that we call it as a intrors. Now if we can see center of the flower, we can identify the ovary. So in the cross section of ovary, you will find so ovarian wall, and center of that we identified oblique septum. See the oblique septum and the swollen septum. So this is the swollen septum and oblique. If you can take the flower, mother axis is this side and odd sepal is this side. So for this exactly the 45 degrees we find. So it is called oblique septum. Now we can take the ovaries bicarpellary. The ovaries bicarpellary. You can find monocarpellary also. Special monocarpellary is found in the chili. Chili. Capsicum frutiscens. Capsicum frutiscens. At last we are going to continue along with the scientific names also. So monocarpellary ovaries present in the chili, and generally we find bicarpellary and syncarpus. Both are present in one ovary, so fused together. So we call it as a syncarpus ovary. Bicarpellary, syncarpus ovary. Bicarpellary, 2 carpels and fused, so called syncarpus ovary. And if you can observe ovules, so the ovules are attached to the on swollen placenta. Swollen placenta. See this, ovules are attached on swollen placenta. This is axial placentation. So axial placentation. Axial placentation is a feature of Solanaceae family. That's about floral formula. I hope all of you understand well about the floral diagram of the Solanaceae family. Now I will continue about different features of still the Solanaceae family along with economic importance. Let you see. So if you can continue about the Solanaceae family reproductive characters, we find pollination. Pollination, the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma is called pollination. The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma is called pollination. In Solanaceae family, pollination is particularly the cross pollination we find. So pollination is cross pollination. What is cross pollination? Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of different flower in the same species. Different flower of the same species is called cross pollination. Once again, the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of different flower in the same species is called as cross pollination. Last, the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of different flower of same species is called cross pollination. Here in the Solanaceae family, all the flowers are bisexual flowers. So both androecium and gynoecium are present in a single flower, so called bisexual flower. So in bisexual flower, they go for maximum self-pollination, autogamy. So to avoid that, these Solanaceae family members, they show the adaptation. One device is available. So for promoting the cross-pollination, plants are exhibiting a separated adaptive device is. In earlier videos, we discussed about vegetative as well as floral characters of Solanaceae family. In this video, we will continue about few characters of Solanaceae family as well as economic importance of few plants in the family. So in that reproductive characters, we find pollination. Let's see. Pollination. The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of flower is called pollination. Once again, the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the flower is called pollination. In case of Solanaceae family, we find cross pollination. Let's see. The cross pollination. What is cross pollination? Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the different flower in the same species is called cross pollination. Once again, the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of different flower in the same species is called cross pollination. This cross pollination is promoted by the different devices. In that, we find one of the devices is dichogamy. It means either androecium or gynoecium matures early than others. In the sense, if you take one in the under dichogamy, protandry. Here, androecium matures early than the gynoecium. Androecium matures early than the gynoecium is called protandry. Most of the Solanaceae family are exhibiting protandry. Second one we find protogyny. See that gynoecium. So gynoecium is mature early than the androecium. So pro means first. So gynoecium means gyne means gynoecium. So gynoecium first mature early than the androecium is called protogyny. Few species of Solanum exhibiting this. So highly plants are exhibiting protandry. And apart from this, so pollination is also promoted by the insect. So insect are carrying the pollen grains from one flower to another flower. So this method is called as entomophilous. So pollen grains are carried by the insects called entomophilous. The flowers are called entomophilous flower. and the method is called entomophily or entomophilous. This is about pollination. If we can go further, after that pollination, we find the fertilization, then fruit formation, seed formation we find. Let's see the fruit. So what do you find in the fruit in the Solanaceae family? Mainly we find berry, highly we find berry, and rarely we find capsule. So these are the fruits we find in them. If we take berry, there is a tomato is found as well as brinjal. So these are the examples we find for berry. Coming to the capsule, Datura metal. We see in the plant flower all Datura metal as well as Nicotiana tabacum. So we can take tobacco plant. So scientific names will be discussed at last. So tobacco plant. So these plants are having the capsule. So fruits if we can take berry and capsule. Highly berry, rarely capsule. So most of the members are having the berry. See examples are tomato, brinjal will come. Capsule, there is a datura and as well as tobacco. Next, see that last. Inside the fruit, we find the seed. So seeds are found many. So generally many seeds are found in every either berry or capsule. Every time we find many and they are endospermic. So endosperm is present. So called endospermic seeds. Next, we follow economic importance of different plants.